Hi children, welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Swati, your IT teacher. How are you children? Hope you all are fine and safe. So children, we have completed our third chapter, moving ahead in Microsoft Word 2010, and let's start our fourth chapter, Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Children, so what is Microsoft PowerPoint? If you want to present a topic in front of some people, you can use this slide based presentation program, and that is our Microsoft PowerPoint. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. So it is a presentation software by Microsoft and it is part of the Microsoft Office suite of programs. There are different tools available in this program. You can add images, then pictures, clip arts and screenshots. You can add whatever you want and also apply animations to your slides. You can even change the background, themes, text font and color, etc. Thus by which you can create a professional looking presentation. So here you can see the icon of Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Children, let's start our Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. First you have to click on Start button, then click on All Programs, then click on Microsoft Office 2010 and the fourth step, that is click on Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. And this is the program window of Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Here you can see different tools and let's see the function of each tools. First is the title bar. At the top of the window you can see the title bar where the title of our PowerPoint appears. Then the quick access toolbar at the top left corner that you can see, and this toolbar contains options like undo, redo and save. Then there are 9 different tabs available in this PowerPoint, that is File, Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animations, Slideshow, Review and View, and each tab has its ribbon section also. Here you can see the ribbon of Home tab. So that's about the ribbon and tabs. Then the groups, there are different groups available which contains tools for different functions. Then control buttons at the top right corner, that is to minimize, maximize and close the window. Next, the slides or outline preview pane. So that is thumbnails of different slides are shown when you select the slides tab, and when the outline tab is selected, you can see text of all the slides in the same order that they appear in your presentation. And the next is slides pane. That is, you can see a blank area in the middle where you can work on an individual slide, that is slides pane. And the notes pane, that any additional note that you want to attach to a particular slide, that is written here and it is located below the slides pane. And on the bottom right of the program you can see the view button through which you can view your presentation in 4 different ways. And then the file tab, which is at the top left corner, that is shown in red color, you can see there, through which you can save your presentation or open an existing presentation or close your presentation. And next is the status bar. You can see here it is located at the bottom of the program window, which contains important details about the presentation. And the next is the zoom slider button, which is located at the right bottom side of the program window. and you can zoom in and zoom out using this zoom slider button. So that's about the various tools used in PowerPoint. So let's create a presentation. These are the few steps to create a new blank presentations. So let's see and understand. First, click on the File tab, then click on New option. So, from the available templates and themes, you can select the blank presentation and click on Create button. And even you can select built-in templates from PowerPoint. So, how is it? Click on File tab, then select the New option. So, from the first row you can click on sample templates. So a list of sample templates will appear, then click any of them and select the create option. Children, so when you select this inbuilt templates, it consists of different slides with different designs. So slides means it is the digital page of a presentation. And you can insert contents like text, graphics, images, audio or video to the slides. And here you can see the boxes with dotted lines which is inside the slides, that is called placeholders, where we can put all the contents. So children, today we have discussed about various tools used in Microsoft PowerPoint and also how to create a sample presentation or a blank presentation. So just try to make a sample or a blank presentation. Okay children, that's all for today. Let's see in the next class. Till then, bye.